Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add rectangle in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel. So adding a rectangle overlay is really easy. First, open Effects panel. From here, go to Generators and you should find an generator called Solid Color. If you can't find it, then just use the search bar and search for solid color like so, and then drag and drop the solid color on your timeline. Now you can also adjust the duration for your rectangle. Now to customize it into rectangle, we need to first select it, then open inspector. From here, pick the color for your rectangle. So I want to have this orange color. I'll just select that, then hit OK. Now to convert it into rectangle, we need to go to setting. Under cropping, we have to crop it according to rectangle. So firstly, I want to crop it from left, right, then crop from top and bottom. And now you can see it has been converted into rectangle. And you can also use this position slider to place it anywhere you want. You can also change the size for it like this. This is the way. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.